In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Analytics with Hubspot. This integration is an essential step for anyone looking to deepen their understanding of customer interactions and enhance their marketing strategy with comprehensive data insights. We'll be taking a straightforward approach, ensuring you have all the information you need to achieve a successful integration in just a few minutes. To start, you'll need to navigate to the HubSpot website. Open your preferred web browser and type in HubSpot's URL. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on HubSpot's main homepage. Look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the Sign In button. Go ahead and click that. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up by following the on-screen prompts. But if you already do, just proceed to log in with your credentials. Upon signing in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot homepage. This is where we'll take the next steps to connect your Google Analytics account. What you need to do next is find the content section. You can locate this by looking at the top navigation menu or within the main options. If you've customized your dashboard, click on content to proceed. Now, after selecting the content section, you'll notice several options presented to you. For our next step, you'll need to click on pages. This option allows you to manage various page settings, but for our goal today, it will lead us to the integration settings. Once inside the Pages section, you should see a variety of settings. Look for the Integrations button, which should be somewhere on your Page Settings dashboard. It's usually found within your settings or on the sidebar. Click on Integrations to move to the area where all third-party connections are managed. Now that you've found yourself in the Integrations section, the next move is crucial. You'll have several integration options, but our focus today is Google Analytics. Specifically, you want to look for the option that says Integrate with Google Analytics 4. This is the latest version, offering powerful insights that are invaluable for marketing and sales strategies. Click on Integrate with Google Analytics 4 to finalize the connection. By following these steps, you'll effectively link your HubSpot platform with Google Analytics. This integration not only brings significant data points right to your fingertips, but also enhances your ability to analyze user behavior and improve marketing tactics. Remember, always double check your connection to ensure data synchronization is working as expected. By doing so, you'll be able to maximize the potential of both these powerful platforms. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to leave any questions or comments below.